This Mexican street corn chicken rice skillet has everything you'd want for a weeknight dinner. Tender chicken, sweet corn, black beans, melted cheese, and fresh lime, all made in one pan. Let's get started. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add 1 pound or 450 grams of diced boneless skinless chicken thighs or chicken breast. Season with about 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to stir everything together and cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken is browned and nearly cooked through. Next, add 1 small diced onion, that's about 150 grams, along with 1 diced jalapeno. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the onion begins to soften and the jalapeno becomes fragrant. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now it's time to build the flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Now season to taste with a little more salt and black pepper. Stir well and let the spices toast for about 30 seconds. This simple step helps bring out their full flavor. Add 2 cups of corn kernels, about 300 grams. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned. All work well here. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes, a 14.5 ounce can or 411 grams. Now let the corn and the diced tomatoes cook here for about 3 or 4 minutes until they're heated through. Add 3 cups of cooked rice, that's about 500 grams, followed by 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans. That's 15 ounces or about 425 grams. Stir until everything is evenly combined and heated through. At this point, the skillet is already looking colorful and delicious. Reduce the heat to low and stir in 1/2 cup of sour cream, that's about 120 grams. The sour cream creates a creamy sauce that builds all the flavors together. Sprinkle in about 1.5 cups of shredded quesadilla cheese. You can use mozzarella if you don't have the quesadilla cheese. That's about 150 grams. We're going to put that evenly over the top. Cover the skillet and let the cheese melt for about 1 to 2 minutes. Look at that melted cheese. That's exactly what we're after. Top with 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese. That's about 35 grams. The salty feta adds a nice contrast to the creamy skillet. Finish up with freshly chopped cilantro. And finally, the juice of 1 lime. This Mexican street corn chicken rice skillet combines everything we love about street corn, taco bowls, and cheesy comfort food into one easy meal. Serve it straight from the skillet or plate it up with extra cilantro, cheese, and lime wedges. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.